To assemble the mud mixer, open the large mud mixer box and lay the large cardboard cover on the ground. Remove the mixer from the box and lay upside down onto the cardboard cover. Take the large black plastic disc and lay it onto the mixer's circular base with the webbing side facing up. Next, lay the large metal base plate on top of the black disc, sticker side down. Make sure to line up the center hole and the rotation pivot latch hole also. Secure mixer base to the plastic disc and base plate. From underneath, insert the M14 by 65 mm bolt, the big washer, and an M14 washer. Now place the spring, an M14 washer, and M14 nut onto the bolt. Tighten until the spring is almost but not completely compressed. Connect mixer large frame piece to mixer base plate via 4 M10 by 50 mm bolts, nuts, and washers. Connect mixer frame handle to the large mixer frame piece via 2 M10 by 50 mm bolts, nuts, and washers. Insert axle through the large frame piece. Secure the wheels to the axle with washers and cotter pins. Be sure to put the grease fittings on the wheels facing inside. Pivot the mixer handle 90 degrees, perpendicular to the standard lock position. Pull on the handle to flip mixer upright onto its wheels. Pivot the mud mixer until the pivot latch locks into the corresponding hole on the base plate. Check to see that the hopper auger cover grate is properly seated inside the hopper. Now you're ready to mix mud easier, quicker, and cleaner than you ever have before.